Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I am going to be, let me show y'all. I am going to be installing this wig. I normally don't do blonde like that, but I'm gonna try it for this one here. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. We are back with another banger. Okay, so I'm gonna be installing her. I've already layered her just a little bit and I put some like loose curls in her. I might add some more curls after I install her, but I am going to be installing this wig with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Let me see. Hey, there we go, it focused. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold for this installation. This is just temporary hold. It's not a lace glue. I'm gonna follow the instructions step by step so you guys know exactly how to use it and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on the underside of this lace so it can match my skin tone a little bit better, and then we can go ahead into this install. I'm feeling her. Okay, so this is what she looks like with the hair just curled back, very loose. Yeah, so I'm debating if I'm gonna cut off the lace. Normally I do not cut off the lace first before I install the wig, but I think I might, maybe. Am I? Yeah, I'm gonna cut the lace. I'm gonna try to cut the lace off first and then install the wig. So let me do that. Okay, so I cut the lace off the front. So now I'm going to put this Bold Hold Liquid Gold on my head. What I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna clean up a little bit of the area in front of, well, right where my hairline is, because I have makeup on. So I am just gonna clean that up a little bit, get this makeup off. Okay, so it says to try to do subsections at a time and apply to your hairline, only in the areas obviously where you're gonna lay your lace. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this with the nozzle and I am going to put it on my finger. And I am going to, excuse me if I look in my mirror, put a little bit. It's safe to be on your hair, so no worries. Make sure you guys have a blow dryer nearby so you guys can dry it. So I'm just gonna apply a thin layer of it on my skin. Temporary hold, so you don't need to apply a ton of it. All right, so I'm just gonna do this section first and then I'll continue on and do the others. All right, so now I like mine to be tacky, so I'm just gonna let it dry for a second before I do anything else. Let me get my blow dryer. All right, now I'm gonna stick her down. You know what? I'm gonna do another layer. It's definitely more, a little bit thinner than Got To Be Gel, just a little bit thinner. So I'm just gonna apply it. All right, now if I have any excess or anything like that, I'm probably just gonna clean it off with, you know, alcohol or something. But now let me take my wig, place her on my hairline. Oh. Make sure it's straight. All right, don't want to touch it too much. The oil from your skin can make the gel a little white. So let me, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and then this side. I should have used my rat tail comb to kind of push it down, but It's all right so far, and I do have like some cleanup right here where I went too far forward. So I will be wrapping this down with my QB head wrap, so I'm not really worried about any of it right now. So now let me do this side. Yeah, it's a little bit more watery than Got To Be gel, but push my hairs back. Remember, you guys can put it on your hair. It's water soluble, so all you need is water to take it out. All right, so I'm gonna do this side and then I will come back to you right before I wrap it down. Okay, so now that it's all down and it's pretty much like 90% dry. I think I feel like one or two areas that are not dry, but that's fine. I'm gonna go in now and do my baby hairs for this, and I'm gonna try and do it facing the camera so you guys can see. Y'all already know baby hair in sections. That's just what I do. So I'm gonna take this little piece here, cut it. Shorter baby hairs look natural to me. And I am going to be also using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold for the baby hairs as well. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm just going to, oh, I can't see. Smooth it out. Sorry y'all, can't see on my camera. Smooth it out, brush it up into the hair. All right, so I'm gonna do this. And of course I'm using my QB edge brush. So I just take a little bit of baby hair, cut it. All right, take a little bit of Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Let me get a little bit more. Take a little bit of Bold Hold Liquid Gold, kind of brush it out, brush it down. All right, so I'm just gonna add probably just a little bit on this side. Okay, cut them short, get a little Bold Hold Liquid Gold on there. All right, that's it. Nothing too dramatic. Do the other side. All right, cut them short. Sorry if y'all hear my fan, you guys. I am like burning up. All these lights and stuff, I am like burning up hot. So now I'm going to take my QB elastic band, place it along my hairline, wrap it down, y'all, tight. All right, and I will move on to just styling. So I'm probably just gonna speed through this process a little bit. Okay, so after all the little tweaking here and there with the scissors and my curling iron and stuff like that, I finally got it to what I want it to be. I like my hair to be messy and just bigger. Normally I wear curly hair, so it's a little bit different for me. Straight. This hair is from QB Wig Collections. It is raw Indian hair, 18 inches with a frontal, all made into a wig. I have 3 bundles of 18 and a 16-inch lace frontal on this wig. So let me go ahead and go take off this head wrap. All right, head wrap off. Bam. Y'all know I'm feeling this. And I don't even do blonde, but this blonde for me is like just enough. So that is pretty much it. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.